Alright, so here's the deal. Today's weather in the Netherlands: storm warning, yellow alerts, crazy winds, crashing waves, the whole shebang. Now, most people will take this as a sign to stay indoors, sip some coffee and chill. But that's not really my vibe. Instead, I'm grabbing my motorcycle, my drone and heading straight to the coast. Why? Because storms are wild, unpredictable and honestly kinda awesome. This vlog, it's not just about surviving in a storm. It's about riding through it, capturing its raw power and maybe flying my drone into something it probably shouldn't survive. Let's go! Actually, the weather is not too cold, but it's too windy and the rain also shows itself here in my visor. Whoa. Playing game with nature. Okay, almost we are gonna leave the highway and then it's gonna be a bit more stable. At least it's a bit warm, around 5 Celsius. Oh yeah, like a riding horse. On the right side, lying on the right. Which spot is good? I guess let's go to the other side. Side stand looks a bit more stable. Garbage of fireworks, thanks to nice people, they always leave that garbage here. Even on the ground it's gonna fly. I guess it's gonna fly automatically without doing anything. What I told you. You see this? I need to take a few cool shots here. Oh, gimbal is stable. Oh! Look at this. High wind. It says high wind. Are you sure? Really? Yes, you can take a shot like this. I need shot from this side. It says go down as soon as possible. No, I'm not. Now it's a bit stable. Let's go up a bit more. It's good. Yes, you are recording nice, but you are moving away. I don't know why. But the camera is very stable, man. It's maybe 5-6 years old drone. It's still stable, flying very stable in this high wind. Sometimes it forgets where to stay. I guess they think I'm crazy. You see the cars passing by slowly? Yeah, I'm crazy guy. Let's try sport mode. This wasn't sport mode. It goes fast. Whoop. It's turning, but I don't give that commands. It's turning just without my control. Whoa. Let's stay here because the car gonna pass away. Okay. Oh, it's cool. Where are you? Where are you? Shit. I can't see it. Oh, here. I guess I have to stop. Okay, let's start. I guess I broke something. Broken my tire. My tire is broken. You are unlucky, drone. Let's do something good for nature. I'm gonna take this because this is not good for my country. The Netherlands shouldn't be like this. Oh man, I have to close it. Fun part. Google Maps says go to back. I'm going this way because I want to go this way.